In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Behance project. First, log into your Behance account and open the project you want to edit or create a new project. Click on the Edit Project button to enter the editor. Inside the editor, from the Content section, choose Text. In the text box, type the content where you want to include your link. Next, highlight the text, click the link icon, and paste the URL you want to add. Confirm the link to make it clickable. You can also add links in image captions or project descriptions, depending on where you want visitors to click. Once you're done, click Save or Publish to update your project. Your link will now be active and clickable in your Behance project. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to your Behance project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Behance and design tutorials.